Hey friends, welcome back to Daily Dish Recipes for the Soul. I'm Nikki Williams, your host, and today is day 3 of bariatric-friendly week. I misspoke on yesterday. Today is day 3. And today's lunch recipe is both light and satisfying. Did you know that swapping out bread for lettuce can save you up to 200 calories per meal? It's a simple change with a big impact. Just like today's recipe, Savory Turkey Lettuce Wraps. And you're going to need 1 pound of lean ground turkey, 1 head of butter lettuce, leaves separated, a half a cup of diced bell pepper, 1/4 of a cup of chopped green onions, 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of my Simply Spiced house blend, sriracha for that spicy kick, which is optional, sesame seed oil heated in a skillet over medium heat, ground turkey cooked until brown, stir in the bell pepper, green onion, soy sauce, and Simply Spiced house blend and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. You're going to scoop that turkey mixture into the butter lettuce leaves, and you're going to drizzle with the sriracha. If desired, wrap and enjoy. Lettuce wraps were a game changer for me. I could enjoy the flavors I loved without the extra carbs. These wraps are perfect for things like chicken salad, tuna salad, tacos, fajitas, and more. And they are also perfect for a quick lunch or even meal prep. Guys, with that being said, don't forget to grab my ebook, Journaling for Self-Care, and a how-to guide for decluttering your mind, letting go and starting over. Follow me on at SimplyNikkiVibes across all of my media platforms except Facebook, where I'm still Everything Nikki. And check out my podcast website at iamthetravelguru.podbean.com for more podcast updates. Let's keep this bariatric-friendly momentum going. Thank you for joining me today, and tomorrow I'll share another tasty, healthy dish to keep you inspired. Stay focused and savor the journey. See you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, friends. Welcome back to Daily Dish Recipes for the Soul. I'm Nikki Williams, your host, and today is day 3 of bariatric-friendly week. I misspoke on yesterday. Today is day 3. And today's lunch recipe is both light and satisfying. Did you know that swapping out bread for lettuce can save you up to 200 calories per meal? It's a simple change with a big impact. Just like today's recipe, Savory Turkey Lettuce Wraps. And you're going to need 1 pound of lean ground turkey, 1 head of butter lettuce, leaves separated, a half a cup of diced bell pepper, 1/4 of a cup of chopped green onions, 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of my Simply Spiced house blend, sriracha for that spicy kick, which is optional, sesame seed oil heated in a skillet over medium heat, ground turkey cooked until brown, stir in the bell pepper, green onion, soy sauce, and Simply Spiced house blend and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. You're going to scoop that turkey mixture into the butter lettuce leaves, and you're going to drizzle with the sriracha. If desired, wrap and enjoy. Lettuce wraps were a game changer for me. I could enjoy the flavors I loved without the extra carbs. These wraps are perfect for things like chicken salad, tuna salad, tacos, fajitas, and more. And they're also perfect for a quick lunch or even meal prep. Guys, with that being said, don't forget to grab my ebook, Journaling for Self-Care, and a how-to guide for decluttering your mind, letting go, and starting over. Follow me on at SimplyNikkiVibes across all of my media platforms except Facebook, where I'm still everything Nikki. And check out my podcast website at IamTheTravelGuru.podbean.com for more podcast updates. Let's keep this bariatric-friendly momentum going. Thank you for joining me today. And tomorrow, I'll share another tasty, healthy dish to keep you inspired. Stay focused and savor the journey. See you next time. Bye, guys.